If you are planning a trip to Maldives, then this video is for you. Hi, this is Zahir, and in this video, I will be sharing few tips based on my recent experience in Maldives. These tips will help you in having a great experience of Maldives, so stay tuned and watch till the end. If your transfers are by speedboat, then jump to the back of the boat to catch the best views. This will give you a 270-degree view and also will be lot more comfortable in case of a bumpy ride due to the waves. Speedboats will be very noisy. Use cotton or earplugs for a comfortable ride. Tip number 3. Dolphins. Is watching dolphins on your bucket list? Then you are at the right place. If you are lucky, you will spot a group of dolphins, and there is nothing more spectacular than seeing these incredible animals in their natural habitat. They are very playful, and you may see them flipping in the air or swimming alongside the boat. You may also spot some flying fish, so keep looking out. I would recommend you to eat lightly before boarding a speedboat, especially if you are getting on a speedboat for the first time or are prone to seasickness. Stingrays. If you are staying in a water villa, then do turn on the beach lights during the evenings. These lights will attract planktons, which in turn will attract big fish and also stingrays. Snorkeling is the best way to explore the reefs of Maldives. Crystal clear waters give you the best chance of getting up close to the aquatic life. Carry your own snorkeling kit, which will cost you around 2000 rupees. Resorts charge you around $13 per day, which is around 1000 rupees. Always use snorkel shoes while in shallow waters. The dead corals and the sea rocks may cause injuries. Use full body swimsuit to avoid sun tan. Also use good quality of sunscreen. Do not snorkel right after eating. The salty water can make you uncomfortable. Because you breathe through your mouth during snorkeling, your throat will become dry quickly. Carry water just in case you need it. Manta rays and turtles usually make their appearance in the night near the boat landing area. The lights near the dive centers or the boat landing area attract planktons, and manta rays feast on these planktons. So if you don't want to spend extra on manta ray excursion, then camping in the night near the dive centers is a good alternative. Secret to finding them is being patient. You should also select resorts where manta rays are spotted more often. Sun Siam is one such resort. These giant manta rays is a visual you should not miss. While booking your flights, choose window seats to have a bird's eye view of the islands. The views are truly spectacular. Also choose your seats in the front rows or the last rows so that the wings do not block your view.
If you found this video useful, hit the like button, leave your comments below and subscribe to our channel.